Welcome back to Speed Society, the home of pure power, timeless design, and the machines that stir every rider's soul. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the decade, the 2025 BMW R20. This isn't just another retro-inspired bike, it's BMW Motorrad's bold statement to the world, a blend of past and future, muscle and sophistication, art and engineering. The R20 takes the legacy of BMW's iconic boxer engines and wraps it in a modern, aggressive, and sculpted form. It's not just built to ride, it's built to impress, to dominate, and to remind everyone that heritage and innovation can coexist perfectly. The legacy of the 2025 BMW R20. BMW's R series has always represented the soul of the brand. From the legendary R32 of the 1920s to the modern R18 cruiser, every model has carried forward the tradition of the horizontally opposed twin-cylinder engine, the unmistakable boxer. The BMW R20 continues this proud legacy, but with a completely new approach. It pays tribute to classic air-cooled BMWs while embracing the aggressive styling and performance expected in today's high-end motorcycles. The R20 is not just a motorcycle, it's a piece of living history, a tribute to a century of craftsmanship, designed for the riders of tomorrow. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 BMW R20 is a masterclass in design, a perfect balance of vintage charm and modern aggression. Its stance is muscular and purposeful, with a raw mechanical beauty that instantly commands attention. The exposed aluminum frame, polished shaft drive, and large, air-cooled boxer engine are all displayed proudly, as if BMW wanted to showcase the soul of the machine. The single-piece tank flows seamlessly into the minimalist rear section, while the dual exhausts and exposed suspension components highlight its engineering purity. The R20's design language celebrates minimalism, nothing unnecessary, nothing fake, just pure, functional beauty. LED lighting, a round digital instrument cluster, and premium materials like brushed metal and leather make it feel both classic and cutting-edge. The R20 doesn't just look like a motorcycle, it looks like a statement of intent. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 BMW R20 lies its soul, a 2.0-liter air/oil-cooled boxer engine, a true engineering masterpiece. It's an evolution of BMW's legendary big-bore motors but tuned for raw, unfiltered performance. This powerhouse delivers massive torque right from idle, giving the R20 that signature boxer thump that riders have loved for decades. BMW has fine-tuned the internals for smoother delivery, improved cooling, and modern emission standards, while still maintaining the character that defines a boxer. The 6-speed gearbox provides precise shifts, and the shaft drive system ensures smooth, maintenance-free power transfer. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing through open highways, the R20 delivers effortless acceleration with a deep, throaty exhaust note that reminds you, this machine means business. Technology and features. While the R20's soul is classic, its technology is cutting-edge. BMW has equipped it with ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, and traction control, ensuring safety and confidence at all speeds. The fully digital display offers clear readouts for speed, revs, and performance metrics while maintaining a retro aesthetic. The LED adaptive headlight adjusts brightness based on lean angle and speed, enhancing visibility during night rides. Optional smartphone connectivity and navigation integration allow riders to stay connected without distraction. BMW has also introduced a semi-active suspension system that automatically adjusts damping based on road conditions, offering both comfort and performance. The R20 doesn't just rely on its looks, it's a modern machine built to perform in every aspect. Handling and comfort. Despite its muscular appearance and massive engine, the R20 surprises with its agility and balance. BMW's engineers have designed the chassis to deliver stability and responsiveness, using a lightweight steel tube frame and optimized suspension geometry. The suspension setup, featuring Aleen's fully adjustable front forks and rear shock, ensures premium ride quality, absorbing bumps while keeping the rider connected to the road. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and low seat height make the R20 both comfortable and commanding. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising long distances. Riding experience. Riding the 2025 BMW R20 is an emotional experience. From the moment you start the Boxer engine, the bike vibrates with life, a feeling that's both nostalgic and thrilling. The torque hits immediately, propelling you forward with an intoxicating surge of power. Every twist of the throttle brings a wave of acceleration that feels smooth yet raw, powerful yet controlled. The gearbox clicks with precision, the exhaust sings with authority, and the ride feels like a perfect blend of mechanical soul and modern refinement. On long rides, the comfort and stability make it effortless, while in city traffic, the torque-rich engine and balanced chassis make it surprisingly easy to handle. Upgrades for 2025. The R20 represents a major leap forward for BMW's heritage line. The engine has been completely redesigned for better performance and cooling efficiency. The addition of advanced electronics, semi-active suspension, and lightweight aluminum components marks a significant upgrade over previous R-Series models. Even the braking system, with dual front discs and a new Brembo setup, delivers unmatched stopping power. Who is this for? The 2025 BMW R20 is for the rider who wants a motorcycle with character, power, and timeless appeal. It's for those who appreciate craftsmanship and mechanical purity but still demand modern performance and technology. The R20 isn't just a ride, it's a statement. It appeals to collectors, enthusiasts, and seasoned riders who see motorcycles not just as machines, but as expressions of passion and individuality. Pricing and availability. BMW has positioned the R20 as a premium, limited production model, with prices expected to start around $28,000 to $30,000, depending on configuration and optional features. Deliveries are expected to begin in late 2025, with select markets receiving early pre-order allocations. Final thoughts. The 2025 BMW R20 is not just another motorcycle, it's a masterpiece that bridges history and innovation. It captures the essence of BMW's legendary Boxer heritage while pushing boundaries in design, performance, and technology. Every element of the R20, from its massive engine to its handcrafted design, speaks of passion and precision. BMW has created a bike that doesn't chase trends but sets them. It's a reminder that true legends don't fade, they evolve. Here at Speed Society, we believe the R20 is more than a motorcycle, it's an icon reborn, a rolling testament to the power of timeless engineering and modern artistry.